In this video, we'll be taking a look at the story rewatch count for Snapchat Plus. Now, you need to ensure that you have the Pro or the subscription available in your country. It is not available worldwide. So you need to ensure that you have Snapchat Plus enabled. So let's tap on Snapchat Plus and let's enable story rewatch count. Now let's learn what story rewatch count is by clicking on learn more and story rewatch indicator. So how does story rewatch indicator work on stories I post to Snapchat? So as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you'll see the eye emoji on the stories and that one or more friends have rewatched as long as the story has more than one view. You can see how many friends rewatched your snaps and you post to my story, private stories or shared stories. To see if anyone has rewatched your story, tap on it and then swipe up. So basically it will give a number indicator as to how many times someone rewatched your story or if someone rewatched your story. So that is quite unique and a cool feature to basically point out if someone is just lurking or stalking you. So that is an exclusive feature to Snapchat Plus users, and as I've stated, Snapchat Plus is not available in all locations. However, to the few locations that it is available in, these are the features which you are getting for $3.99 a month. That is a brilliant deal and it is not much to ask for. So yeah, that is it. That is the story rewatch indicator on Snapchat Plus. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative in allowing you to understand what the story rewatch count is on Snapchat Plus. So thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.